Okay, I'm gonna take this apart. I'll take out these 4 screws and set them right there. Okay, there they are. Then I'll take out that screw and put it right there. Okay, this screw goes right here. This screw goes right there. This part comes off, and I'm setting it right here. So the first one I see is that one, and that one goes right there. Let's take out this screw and put it right there. Black one right there, I'm going to put it with it right. I'm not going to touch it, and it's almost straight up. Next, I'm going to take out this gold screw, and I put it right there. I'm going to remove that one on the left. So I put it right there. I'm going to remove that one, put it right next. Okay, so I lifted that little tab up, and I'm sliding this forward. I'm going to take out those 2 black screws. They go right there. The white one goes in the back. Those are connected with a little spring guide thing. They're barely together. I'm just going to leave them. This was just attached with a magnet, and I pulled it off. The circuit board off. Bottom side. And on the top, I see this screw here. So I'm going to try and remove this spring. What it looks like when it's unhooked. To remove it, I need to slide this a little bit, and then I think I can lift it. That worked, but I had to lift it from this side because of that hook at the bottom, and now this is out. There's the broken magnet. I'm going to super glue that back together right now. Okay, I'm removing that screw and that screw next, and I'm putting it right there. Okay, that was it. Just lots of scrubbing with rubbing alcohol, and it's so fast now. So snappy.